Hello, friends. Now, in this problem, we're going to look at writing a decimal number in expanded form. And we're going to see that there are multiple ways that we can write this number in expanded form. Let's jump in and look at it together. Select all the expressions that represent 354 and 701 thousandths. Now, first of all, how did I know how to read that decimal part? Well, we see that we have 7/10ths, we have 0 hundredths, and 1 thousandths. Well, 7/10ths is the same thing as 700 thousandths. And so we can read that whole number as 701 thousandths. Okay, so let's look at our choices. Choice A, 354 ones. That's good. But then it says 701 tenths. We don't have 701 tenths. We have 701 thousandths. So we know that is not a correct answer. So we're going to mark that one out. 354 ones and 701 thousandths. That is exactly what we have. C, 354 ones and 701 hundredths. Again, we have 7/10ths, which would be the same thing as 70 hundredths, not 700 hundredths. That one is not going to be one of the correct answers. Look at D, 300ths. We have that. We've got 300ths. 54 tens. Oh, okay. We may be tempted to check this one and say, yes, 54 tens. 54 tens is 540. We have 54 ones, not 54 tens. So we are not going to check this one. So we're going to mark those out. Let's look at E. 300ths. That's true. 54 ones. Yep. 70 hundredths. Now, 7/10ths is the same thing as 70 hundredths plus 1 thousandths. Yes, that one would represent the number. And finally, 300ths. Yes. 5/10ths. Yes. 4 ones. Yes. 7/10ths. We have that. Plus 1 thousandths. Yes. That's showing each one of those place values added together to give us that number. So all three of those would be appropriate ways that we could write that number in expanded form. All right, friends, thanks so much for joining, and I will see you in another video.